Welcome to our exploration of communication theories. In this video, we'll delve into the key models and theories that shape our understanding of communication. Communication theories are fundamental to decoding how we interact, share, and comprehend information. By understanding these theories, we build a foundation for more effective messaging and connection in various contexts. We'll cover a spectrum of theories, each offering unique insights into the mechanics of communication. From the structural breakdowns of the Shannon-Weaver model to the human-centric approach of Berlow's SMCR model, our journey will be comprehensive and enlightening. But why should you study these theories? The answer is simple: to enhance your ability to convey messages clearly and persuasively. Whether you're a student, educator, or communication professional, these theories provide essential tools for mastering the art of communication. So, get ready to explore, analyze, and apply these powerful models. From the intricacies of linear communication processes to the dynamic, two-way interactions, each theory we cover will bring you closer to becoming a more skilled communicator. Let's take the first step into this fascinating world of communication theories. Today, we dive into the foundational Shannon-Weaver model. Often hailed as the mother of all communication models, it breaks down the process into 6 essential components: sender, encoder, channel, noise, decoder, and receiver. Originally developed to improve technical communication, this model has significantly influenced our understanding of how information is transmitted from one point to another. One of its main strengths lies in its systematic approach, making it a pivotal tool for identifying where communication may fail. However, critics argue that it oversimplifies human interaction by not accounting for feedback and contextual factors. The Shannon-Weaver model sets the stage for comparing more contemporary theories, each contributing uniquely to the study of communication. Join us as we continue this educational journey to understand the intricate world of communication models. Next, we'll explore Berlow's SMCR model, examining its key components and how it builds on the ideas presented here. Stay tuned, as the comparative analysis will deepen your grasp on these pivotal theories. Now, let's dive into Berlow's SMCR model of communication. This model emphasizes 4 critical components: source, message, channel, and receiver. Each component plays an essential role in how we convey and interpret information. The source represents the originator of the message. This could be an individual, a team, or an organization. Their skills, attitude, knowledge, and social system considerably influence the communication process. Next, we have the message, the actual content being conveyed, whether it's spoken words, written text, or visual imagery. The structure and encoding of the message are crucial to ensuring it is understood correctly. The channel refers to the medium through which the message travels, from face-to-face conversations and telephone calls to emails and social media. Lastly, the receiver is the individual or group to whom the message is directed. Their ability to decode and interpret the message hinges on their skills, attitudes, knowledge, and social system, mirroring those of the source. While Berlow's SMCR model is comprehensive, it has limitations, such as not accounting for feedback and possibly oversimplifying human communication complexities. As we move forward, you'll see how this model compares with others and its practical applications. Comparing the Shannon-Weaver and Berlow's SMCR models offers valuable insights into the complexities of communication. While both models break down the process into essential components, their focuses diverge significantly. Shannon-Weaver emphasizes the technical aspects, identifying elements such as the sender, encoder, channel, noise, decoder, and receiver, providing a clear, linear approach ideal for understanding technological transmissions. On the other hand, Berlow's SMCR model takes a more human-centric view, spotlighting the source, message, channel, and receiver, and how factors like social systems and culture impact communication. This human-centric emphasis makes Berlow's model particularly relevant in interpersonal contexts. Practical applications of these theories vary. Shannon-Weaver excels in areas like information theory and telecommunications, where the clarity of the technical process is paramount. Meanwhile, Berlow's insights are invaluable in fields like marketing, where understanding the audience's perception can make or break a campaign. By dissecting these similarities and differences, we gain a deeper appreciation for the multifaceted nature of communication. As we proceed, we'll further explore how each theory applies in various real-world scenarios, enhancing our understanding of effective communication strategies. In this segment, we delve into Schramm's model of communication, a pivotal theory that introduced the concept of feedback, thus making communication a two-way process. Unlike earlier models, Schramm's approach acknowledges that communication is not just a linear transfer of information but an interactive cycle between the sender and receiver. Within this framework, the roles of the encoder and decoder are crucial, as they transform ideas into messages and interpret those messages in return. Schramm's model consists of several key components: the source, the encoder, the signal, the decoder, and the destination. Importantly, feedback is integrated at every stage, ensuring continuous looped communication. This model's strength lies in its realistic portrayal of communication as a dynamic and interactive process. However, its complexity can also be seen as a downside, making it harder to apply in simpler communication scenarios. As we explore further, we'll contrast Schramm's insights with Barnlund's transactional model to uncover more about the interactive nature of communication. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of communication theories, examining their practical applications and relevance in today's world. Now, let's delve into Barnlund's transactional model. This model redefines communication, viewing it as a dynamic process involving the simultaneous sending and receiving of messages. Unlike earlier models, it considers communication as a continuous, reciprocal flow. At its core, it highlights the constant exchange of messages between communicators, emphasizing feedback and context. Each person acts as both sender and receiver, creating a more integrated and holistic view of communication. One of the strengths of Barnlund's model lies in its consideration of simultaneous interactions, reflecting the complexities of real-life communication. However, this complexity can also be a downside, as it makes the model harder to simplify for practical applications. The emphasis on constant exchange and mutual influence sets it apart from other linear models, offering a richer perspective, yet it can be less straightforward to apply in structured communication scenarios. As we move forward, you'll see how Barnlund's model contrasts with Schramm's, highlighting the evolving nature of communication theories. Both models shed light on different aspects of how we interact, enriching our understanding of communication in varied contexts. In our exploration of communication theories, Schramm's and Barnlund's models stand out for their emphasis on feedback. Schramm's model, with its introduction of feedback, transformed our understanding of communication into a two-way process. This model focuses on the roles of encoder and decoder and how they influence the interpretation of messages. Barnlund's transactional model takes this a step further. Not only does it emphasize feedback, but it also highlights the simultaneous nature of sending and receiving messages. This transforms communication into a more dynamic interaction where both parties are active participants. Despite these differences, both models share common ground in recognizing the crucial role of feedback in the communication process. However, Barnlund's perspective on simultaneous communication adds a layer of complexity and realism, reflecting how we often interact in the real world. Understanding these models can help us improve our communication strategies, whether in personal interactions, educational settings, or professional environments. As we move forward, you'll see how these theories have real-world applications that can significantly enhance your communication skills. Communication theories are not just ideas confined to textbooks, they have profound applications in our everyday lives. By understanding and applying these theories, we can impact various fields like marketing, education, and organizational communication. Imagine a company utilizing the Shannon-Weaver model to streamline their communication channels. By identifying the primary sources of noise, they can ensure clearer and more efficient message dissemination, ultimately improving their internal communications and customer interactions. In education, Berlow's SMCR model can guide teachers in crafting their messages more effectively. Understanding the intricacies of source, message, channel, and receiver allows educators to tailor their approach, ensuring that students receive the intended information, thereby enhancing the learning experience. Organizations often turn to Schramm's model to foster a feedback-oriented culture, making communication a dynamic two-way street. By embracing feedback, businesses can readily adapt to changes and better meet the needs of employees and clients. Marketing strategies can benefit greatly from Barnlund's transactional model, recognizing the simultaneous exchange of messages between brands and consumers. This model helps marketers create campaigns that resonate more deeply with their audience, considering real-time feedback and engagement. Let's look at some case studies to illustrate these points. A global tech company implemented Schramm's model to enhance cross-cultural communication. By prioritizing feedback loops, they achieved a significant reduction in project miscommunications, leading to more efficient team collaborations. Another case study involves a university leveraging Berlow's SMCR model to revamp their online learning platform. By focusing on the message and channel components, they boosted student engagement and satisfaction. These examples underscore how communication theories are invaluable tools. Whether in corporate boardrooms or classrooms, their practical applications lead to impactful communication strategies. As we move forward, you'll see how these theories can be adapted to various professional settings, driving innovation and success. As we draw our exploration to a close, let's recap the journey we've undertaken together. We've dived into several crucial communication theories, from the foundational Shannon-Weaver model to Berlow's SMCR, and deeper into Schramm and Barnlund's transactional model. Each model brings its unique strengths, illustrating how varied aspects of communication can be parsed and understood. Across our comparisons, we've seen technical precision juxtaposed with human-centric elements, and feedback's vital role in making communication a dynamic and interactive process. By understanding these theories, not only do we appreciate the complexity of communication, but we also gain practical tools to enhance our own communication skills. Remember, regardless of the model or theory, the essence of communication lies in connection and understanding. Grasping these concepts can profoundly impact your ability to convey and receive messages effectively. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive examination of communication theories. As we transition, our final segment will provide actionable steps to continue your learning and engagement. Stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Your engagement helps us reach more learners just like you. For more in-depth content and to dive deeper into communication theories, visit our channel and explore our other videos. Stay connected, stay informed. Your participation fuels our journey. Let's continue learning together. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.